Hello everyone, welcome to Nigra Techies. In this video, we are going to talk about Angular CLI commands. The full form of CLI is command line interface. So these Angular CLI commands are very special because using this command, we can create one new application and we can generate any kind of file, and also we can build and do the deployment also. So in this video, I am going to explain some special commands. So instantly we are using in our application. So this is our first command. For creating any application, we have to use this command ng new, and then we have to specify our project name. So I already created an application. So our next command is component. For creating the component, we have the command ngc component name. So basically it's a ng generate and c is the component. We are providing the short form value. We provided G for generate and C for component. Okay, so it will create the component. So let me create one component first. Ng generate component. Our component name is component1. So it will take some time. Meanwhile, I can tell one thing. You may have the doubt. The possibility was there to create the files manually. Then why we are using these CLI commands? See the component. The component consists of 4 files. One HTML file and one TS file and one CSS file. Also one testing file. It gets added. And also while creating any component, it is affecting to the app.model.ts. So if you go to the app.model, the one component is just imported and added in the import section. The same time for the folder is created and 4 files are generated. So if you are trying to do in the manually, it will take around 60 seconds of time. But if you are executing the single command, it will take around 3 to 4 seconds only. It's simply time saving, and it's reducing your risk. That's it. So as I said, so we can use the shortcuts instead of using the generate and full name of component. So let me try that also here. ngg component. So our component name is comp2. See again the 4 files are generated, but the only command is different. We have in the first time we have used the full name, and the second time we use the shortcuts, but the output is same. So the component is the weakest topic. We will see in our upcoming videos. Let me move on next CLI command. So next CLI command is model. So let me create the model also. ng generate. The shortcut of model is m, otherwise you can give the model also. So my model name is login. So our login model is created. So basically when we are creating the application, default one model was there, it's a app model. After that we can create our n number of models. It's based on the requirement. And next one is service. So service also same. To start with ng and generate. The shortcut value is yes. And our service name is, maybe I can give the login. I can give auth. So authentication service. So see our service is created, and one is auth.service and another one is authservice.spec file. It's for the testing purpose. Now if you see all the files are gets created, if you are creating 3 to 4 components means we are unable to collect everything in the single place. So for that we can create one folder also, ng generate service. So I'm going to create one folder service. In the service, I'm going to create the auth service. Okay, see the service folder is created. Inside the service, we have to see there are 2 files. This is same. The service is generated. The next one is directives. So in the Angular application, we have some inbuilt directives like So ng if and ng for, ng class, so many things was there. Even we can create our custom directories also. The CLI command is ngg, so directory name. So you can give your own directory name. So see the directories are get created. Now the card. So card is the functionality. I will explain little later. This is actually used for the authorization and authentication related concept. So I already made one video for the authentication. If you see the video, you will get better understanding. ng generate, again card also G auto. So when we are creating the what is called the card, it will ask the options can activate or can active child. So let me choose the can active. So it's created the file. Okay, great. The similar way we can do the for pipes also. The pipes, the concept all know. It's kind of formatting the any text. So we will see the pipes deeply in the upcoming videos. So finally, I'm going to explain two important CLI commands. One is ngserve and another one is ngbuild. This ngbuild is for creating the build file for any deployment. So ngserve used to for run the application. Now our application is already in the running mode. Let me stop and run once again. Okay. Okay, I stopped running. I'm trying to run the application once again. ngserve. So see the our application is running. So it's running in the host, localhost 4200. Okay, it's working fine. In some cases, if you want change the port name means while entering the ngserve, you have to mention the port also. Port 42. Okay, great. Now our application is hosted in the new port 4201. So this is all about Angular CLI commands. Still, if you have any doubts or clarification, please post in the comment box. And also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you like this video, like and share to your friends. In our next video, we are going to talk about the complete details of components. So thank you. Thanks for watching.